Stand by for action.
This is the Princess meet and greet there. So we got, I don't know, Fiona Bell, Cinderella at the end. I think there's only 3 there actually this year. Obviously the statue will get a bit later on. We didn't do it this year. We thought, no, we've done it twice. Twice is enough. Right, so this is Pauline, as you know. So this is Pauline. We are in Royal Court, yeah. We got a water. We've asked someone and they've actually filled out a water as well, which is a very nice one. This is what it looks like. It is a very busy here. This is for breakfast. And last time we come in here, no milk, no. Yeah, so this is the Royal Court for breakfast. It is currently 9:30 in the morning, which is technically 8:30. We've already gone forward an hour. So in England it's 8:30. On the boat it's 9:30. But this is very busy. It's a lot busier than last year and the year before. So I don't know how much vlogging I'm doing this year. Well, at least you can see what it looks like, and it's very, very fancy, very pretty. I was just speaking to a couple there actually, from Pennsylvania. They were quite sweet. Now, the other thing we did as well, when we was in the atrium, Princess Gavin obviously going on, and someone came up to us and said, "Oh, are you Raymond?" So she obviously seen me from the group, and she pixie dusted us because chatting on the group, we always showed what door magnets we had. And it was a Figment one, and she said, "Well, I really like that." So we basically sent her a copy of the Figment thing so she could print it for herself. And she said, "Would we like something?" I said, "No, we're just passing it on. That's it." Well, she has pixie dusted us because she's made us this nice little door magnet for us with our names on, Pauline and Raymond. How nice is that? On the back, it's got the little dots for the actual magnets to stick to our door, but that is really sweet. I do forget your name now. I'm going to say Veronica. I could be wrong. If I can find it on Facebook page, I'll insert the name somewhere, hopefully. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. I might have been a bit OTT with thank you, but this is really quite sweet. I'm quite impressed with this. Not quite, I'm very impressed with this. It's really, really nice. Alright, this is Lloyd. He's going to kindly do us.
And I'll be making a tuxedo.
A tuxedo.
Alright. So you make a triangle first. Alright. After you make a triangle, make it like a kite.
Yeah.
A kite.
Okay, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Then you flip it over.
Yeah.
Alright. After you flip it over, it looks like a stingray.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm sorry. Alright. So now it looks like a stingray.
Stingray there, yeah.
Yeah. So take a tail, a stingray.
Yeah.
After you make the stingray, you flip the tail inside.
Yeah.
Alright. And then you flip it over. Alright. And then you open it up. Make a collar.
Oh yeah.
And then you make a beautiful
Wow.
tuxedo.
That was super impressive. Give us a high five. That was super impressive. Thank you very much.
Very nice.
This is the man doing Pauline the cocktail, her first cocktail of the trip. It could be her only cocktail. It is actually 11:10, and Boozy Lil is already started on the drinks. Wow. Right, so it's quite noisy up here. We're sitting in Cabanas. Well, Cabanas is just sort of there. We're sitting here with a sea view. Pauline's going to try a cocktail, see what she thinks. I shouldn't be laughing here. Oh, she's going, you can't hear that. Right, we're now in Cabanas. It's quite empty in here at the minute. Because we got here early, because last time we got here when it just opened or after it opened, we could not find a seat. But over there is the sea. We're at the front of the ship at the minute. It is quite choppy, has to be said. We've already chatted to a couple of cast members in there anyway, cleaning, doing one of the job on the cleaning. And one chap we chatted to, he said that the ship is just short of capacity, and if I remember rightly, there is 4,090 people on this boat.
Capacity 4,090.
Oh, the capacity is 4,090.
3,900 people.
Oh, but there's 3,900 people on this boat. So that's why he said this morning this area was mentally busy. We didn't say mentally, but very busy, he said. Yes, but it was busy to say where we had breakfast this morning. So everyone who thinks when we get to the dock, oh, we'll stay on the boat because it'd be less busy because everyone would be off the boat, they could be in for a rude awakening when it's still just as busy. But there we are, we've achieved so far. Pauline is still enjoying her drink. Do you want to have a little sip of your drink?
Alright, thank you.
You sure? Is it going to your head, is it?
Yeah, no.
You get a bit tipsy?
Chips out there.
Oh. Look at this, look. Can I zoom in? I'm hoping you can see that. I'm shouting louder because the camera is a bit further away from me. But yeah, that red one. Zoom in a bit more. That's as much I can see there. Next to the big palm tree, that window there, you can see a red container ship. Pauline's just spotted that. Again. Oh yeah, there's one just slightly that way as well. By the window, there's one slightly there. It's just going away. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it or not there. But that side is France side. That side is the restaurant side, but the other side of that is the proper Bay of Biscay, although we're technically in the Bay of Biscay, and that is heading forwards with the groovy music playing in the background. Tonight's menu is Enchanted Garden. Let me see if I can zoom in on the nice picture frame. Look at that, Enchanted Garden, which is in there. Now, funnily, we've just spotted in here. I don't quite know how you get them, but right next to Enchanted Garden, there are lots of wheelchairs. It says terminal use only, so I don't know whether they're using them at terminal for people or we can actually borrow one of those on ship. Don't know. Always worth an ask, isn't it? Right, so we're now in the Enchanted Garden. It's looking quite pretty. Nice little fountain in the middle there. And that's the ambience of the room. There's Pauline looking all florally. And it's quite pretty, isn't it? Everybody's coming in. So basically, if I freeze frame that way, and we say, here's a picture of the menu of what you can order tonight.
How are you today?
Right, we just come back from Frozen the musical. Would you give that a marks out of 10, Pauline?
About 15.
A 15 out of 10?
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Very, very, very good.
Very, very, very good. Just let it go, love. Let it go. Right. We've come back to we've come back to the room. Stop it. We've come back to the room to see this. We don't know what this is. We've got 2 bits of chocolate, obviously, and we got this sculpture. Do you think is it a whale? Could be a whale. Could be a seal.
Could be a sea lion, isn't it?
Could be sea lion. Comment below if you think you know what that is. But anyway, thanks for watching.